Sunny Side Ville. Fun learning for kids.
Hi, friends. Today, we're learning the alphabet from A to Z. Let's read all the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! Now, let's see what starts with each letter. A is for apple. A red, juicy apple. Yum! B is for ball. A round ball you can roll and throw. C is for car. Vroom, vroom! The car goes fast. D is for duck. The duck says quack, quack. E is for elephant. A big elephant with a long trunk. F is for flower. Look at the colorful petals. G is for grapes. Purple and round. So sweet. H is for hat. Put it on your head. Nice hat. I is for ice cream. Cold and creamy. What flavor do you like? J is for juice. Fresh orange juice. Yum! K is for kite. Flying high up in the sky. L is for lamp. The lamp helps us see when it's dark. M is for moon. Shiny and bright at night. N is for nest. Baby birds live inside. P is for pencil. We use it to write and draw. Q is for queen. She wears a shiny golden crown. R is for rainbow. Wow, so many colors in the sky. S is for sun. The sun makes everything bright and warm. T is for tree. Green leaves and strong branches. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry when it rains. V is for violin. It makes beautiful music. W is for watermelon. Big, green, and sweet inside. X is for xylophone. It makes colorful sounds. Y is for yarn. Soft and round, great for knitting. Z is for zebra. Black and white stripes, amazing. You did it! Now let's read all the letters one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! You know your ABCs. See you next time here on Sunny Side Ville. Hi, friends. Today, we're learning the colors of the rainbow. They're called ROYGBIV. That stands for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's learn them one by one. R is for red. Red like an apple and a fire. Red is bright and bold. O is for orange. Orange like an orange fruit and a carrot. Orange is cheerful and fun. Y is for yellow. Yellow like the sun and a cute chick. Yellow is sunny and happy. G is for green. Green like the grass and the trees. Green is the color of nature. B is for blue. Blue like the sky and the sea. Blue is calm and cool. I is for indigo. Indigo like a blueberry and a pair of jeans. Indigo is sweet and comfy. V is for violet. Violet like an eggplant and yummy grapes. Violet shines with color. Now let's say them all again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. ROYGBIV. ROYGBIV. You did it! Great job, friends! See you next time! Bye-bye! Hi, friends! Today, we're learning to count from 1 to 10. Let's say the numbers together. Ready? Let's count. How many suns do you see? Count with me. 1. There's one sun shining bright. How many apples do you see? Count with me. 1, 2. 2 red apples. How many cats do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 cute cats. How many cars do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars. How many cupcakes do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yummy cupcakes. How many balls do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bouncing balls. How many stars do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bright stars. How many fish do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colorful fish. How many balloons do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balloons. How many rainbows do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rainbows. Wow, you did it, friends. You counted from 1 to 10. Let's say it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're amazing at counting. See you next time. Bye-bye.